Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share a new ShopMissA haul with you guys. I got several goodies to share with you, although it is kind of a small haul. I wanted to purchase some of the new stuff on their website, so I did. How adorable is this packaging also? It's so cute. As always, it always comes super cute packaged as well, just like this. First things first is I did get one of their spring mystery bags this year, and here it is. It's $5 and you get like it's $5 and you get 10 or more items in here, and I just like the not knowing aspect of that, the surprise aspect of that. And we are going to open this in an entirely different video, but that's what it looks like. Comes in a little sachet bag and stuff, and get all your goodies in there. A couple hair accessories that I picked up. I picked up these like bunny ear hair ties. I wear my hair up a lot, so I got the striped one with the navy tie, and then I got the polka dotted one, and they have wires so you can kind of pose them how you want, and another navy tie as well. But I thought these were super cute. This one, especially for 4th of July. So grab those. I did get some more jewelry. I got these really cute silver heart rhinestone earrings with a pink pearl. They have these in different colors, but I was really drawn to the pink pearl because I have a lot of white pearl earrings with hearts and stuff, but this is so cute. I love the pink. I got these adorable turtles in the shade mint. I just love sea turtles, my favorite. That and octopus and jellyfish are all my favorite. And I got these really adorable seashell earrings. They only have these in one shade. So those are kind of long, but they're so cute. So cute. These are going to be perfect for summer. A couple non-AOA Studio stuff that I picked up because a lot of this was AOA Studio. I did get the Santee Color My Eyes pencil. This is actually number 7, and it's an orangey coral shade. People said they were using this for their under eye circles. I just want to use it because I've been using a ton of like corals and peaches on my eyes, so I wanted to try that out. From Clean Color, I got the Keepsake Kiss lip tint. This shade is called Ballerina, and it's like a bright pink, kind of coral actually. It smells really good, like a fruity scent, and I think the packaging is kind of cute as well. And last non-AOA Studio item of this haul here is the Amuse Metallic palette. This is the Luster Metals palette. Everyone says they could not believe this is $1. So I thought we would try it. Look at the size of those. This is only $1. Wow. Yes. Very pretty. Soft as well, and metallic. So I will be doing some additional reviews on this stuff like always, so I would definitely stay tuned for that. Now for the AOA Studio items, I got the brow scissors. I actually really needed a new pair of brow scissors, and I was going to wait until I went to Walmart to look for them, but then I saw these on the website for $1, so I snatched those up. I did get 2 AOA Studio brushes. This is a repeat buy for me, the E122. This definitely helps minimize the amount of fallout you get from an eyeshadow. It really helps to pack the color on, and it's very small, so it's going to be perfect if you have kind of smaller lid space. I really enjoyed this brush, so I went ahead and picked another one of those up. And then I got their F16, which is a concealer brush, and I got this for under my brows cleanup. And if it doesn't work out for that, I will use it for cuticle cleanup. It's only $1, so it doesn't matter. Also from them, I picked up the AOA Studio Brush Cleaner. This is a quick spot cleaning brush thing. It's just like a container with a sponge in it, and you use it to wipe out the color in your brushes. So for $1, I thought we'd try that. I also wanted to try their new sponge, which is the oval sponge, and you can use this wet or dry, and it will get almost twice its size. And that's what that looks like. And right now I think they only have it in black, but I can't wait to try that. I got a new Wonder Brow tinted brow pomade. I do like the medium brown one, and it's actually a perfect shade for my brows, but I kind of wanted to have a lighter shade to pair with it, so I went the shade lighter than that one, and it's in caramel. So we'll see if we can pair them together and make super perfect shade. The medium brown, it does a wonderful job. It is actually perfect, but I wanted a lighter shade to mix with that. And then last AOA Studio item I have to share with you guys, and final item of the haul for now, is the Wonder Liquid eyeliner. Yes, people in the review said this smelled horrible, but it lasted a long time. They actually really loved it. Has a small like little brush on it, yada yada yada. So regardless of any of the reviews, I was gonna try this anyways, and they have this in black and brown, and then they added metallic shades to the website after I placed my order. So next order will be the metallic shades of the eyeliners. And yes, that's all for this haul. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for that unbagging of the mystery bag. Always check the description box for additional ShopMissA links. Stay tuned for reviews, and thank you guys always for watching.